Hello everybody, Smilsy back again. I'm back with a football break today. I got one box of 2015 Panini Donruss football. Now this is a preferred box. It comes with 2 hits per box. It looks like 24 packs, 8 cards per pack, so we're looking at like 192 cards. Now I got this at a pretty good deal. I got this for $26. I think they're going for like $34 on blowout, so got a little deal. Get it. I bought a couple of them, so I got them. Pretty good deal. 26 bucks, 2 hits, bunch of cards, bunch of rookie cards. I've not opened up a preferred box, so that'll be fun. 2 hits. Hopefully one of them a nice auto. Alright. You're gonna have to stay open here. Alright, pack 1. So what we get. $2015, so we're looking for that Winston, Mariota, Bell, Vic Beasley rookie card. He had a great rookie year. Sayers, Tim Brown, Emmitt Smith. Oh, nice. Jay Ajayi rated rookie. Off to a good start there. How about a Melvin Gordon rookie card, the foil rookie elite? Wow, good first pack. 3 really good rookies. Pack 2. Kaepernick, Alex Smith, Robert Woods. I'll be spinning these all around. I hate when I do that. Golden Tate, Gates, Bud Dupree rookie card for the Steelers, not bad. Sean Green rated rookie, and a Funchess elite rookie, another nice one. Had a pretty good year last year. All right, cool. A lot of good rookies so far. All right, Robinson, McFadden, West, Marshall Faulk, Rice, Anthony Barr, Leonard Williams rated rookie, and a Brandon Marshall foil card elite. Nice. Alright, pack 3. It's my PC guy, AJ Green, Foster, Ellington, Hyde, Sue, McCoy, Patterson, and Todd Gurley, classic rookie. Nice. Getting a lot of good rookies so far. Cool looking card. Freeman, Charles, McCoy, Rosenberger, Bo Jackson. Back this way. Hitchens, Von Miller, and a Julio Jones elite. Liking the 1 foil card per pack. Adds a nice little value. Alright. Colston, Calvin Johnson, Dez Bryant, Dwayne Bowe, Byron Jones rookie, Deion Sanders, Taylor, and an Eli Manning foil. Elite foil. Alright, Flacco, Eli Manning, Stephen Bailey, Roddy White, Sanders, Brett Selleck, a rated rookie, Melvin Gordon, second Gordon one, and a Cam Newton foil, elite. Alright, I want to get a serial number card too. Because the Blasters had some good luck getting some low number serial number cards out of the Blaster, so hopefully we can get 1 or 2 serial number cards out of here. Is that Mackenberg, Derek Carr, Sam Bradford, Castle, Harrelson, Delaney Walker. Ooh, nice Elite Series insert, Aaron Rodgers. It's a good looking card. See him in the background there. And a Mariota rookie card elite. Nice. Some of the big guys here. Nice. Still looking for my first hit. Torrey Smith, Le'Veon Bell, Morris, Kuechly, Pierre-Paul, Houston, Geno Atkins, Jalen Strong, elite. Johnny Manziel, Mike Wallace, Crabtree, Julio Jones, got a Gregory rookie card, Anthony rookie card, Steve Young, and a Buck Allen foil elite. We got Hopkins, Benjamin, Jennings, Gronk, Jason Witten, Landon Collins, rookie year. Played pretty well some. Trey Waynes. Oh, a Tom Brady foil. Tom Brady autograph? No, Tom Brady foil. That feels like a thick pack. So that is a hit. So we'll put that right here. Here's a patch auto. Dodgers a fun patch jersey. Cam Newton, Tony Romo, Jay Cutler, Bryant, Cobb, Kelsey, and Tom Brady. Insert Gridiron Kings. Nice. Keep them Tom Brady's coming. Philip Dorsett rookie card. Elite. Serial number card. Fitzgerald, Jeffrey, Carter, Dan Marino, Barry Sanders, Joe Montana. What's all these all-time great guys here? Joe Flacco, Gridiron Kings. Might say dummy. And we got a McCoy elite. Doug Baldwin, Murray, Stewart, Ridley, Marcus Peters, Dante Fowler Jr., Odell Beckham passing the torch with Victor Cruz. Pretty cool. Insert. And a Jesse James autograph. Very cool. Not expecting that. Elite rookie autograph. Not much of an autograph there. You get it down a little bit better, Jesse. But very cool auto. First hit. So I think my second hit is probably going to be that jersey pack. Very cool. Alright, Eddie Lacy, Jennings, Frank Gore, C.J. Anderson, Betts, Kurt Warner, Tomlinson, and a Kevin White elite. Got a bunch of packs to go. Seems like I have tons of stuff already. Brian Hoyer, Tom Brady base card. Alright, we got Brett Favre, Brian Orakpo, Joe Hayden, Cecil Shorts. Got a Mike Evans elite. I'm just saying, did they have to put one of these in every hit reporter in every pack? Murray, Woodhead, Jeremy Hill, Earl Campbell, Joe Namath, John Elway, Chowski, and Charles. Still looking for a team. Elite. I thought he was going to Seattle. Lacy signed there, so I don't know if he'll sign with Seattle now. Mike Glennon, Vernon Davis, Victor Cruz, got Randall, rookie. Oh, this is cool. Elite Series of Drew Brees. Just like the Aaron Rodgers one. Russell Wilson, Elite. Alright. We're getting down there like 4 or 5 packs left. Matt Ryan, Peyton Manning, Wright, Woodson, Cameron, Darby rookie card. Oh, there we go. Press proof Abdullah. That's what I've been looking for. Number 42 of 99, rated rookie. Very nice. I know somebody will want this card probably. 42.99 press proof. First serial number card. I wasn't sure if there's any serial numbers in here, but Diggs rookie card. Nice. So that's good to know. Alright, we got Andy Dalton, Antonio Brown, Jordy Nelson, Olsen, Andre Johnson, Sharif rookie card. Oh, it's back to back. Press proof blue, number 99. Michael Floyd. Guess he stayed on the Is he still on the Pats this year? We're 99. And how about that? Mariota. Classic rookie. My second Mariota rookie card. Looking for that Winston one still, but pretty happy with 2 of those. They put all the serial number cards at the bottom. Bottom row. Wilson, Rogers, Andrew Luck, Will Jackson, Graham. There's that Antonio Brown Elite Series. Cool looking card. Even though he torches my Bengals every year. Good looking card. We got a Gridiron Legends, Joe Namath. Insert. Tavon Austin, Beckham, Spencer Suggs, McCourty, Revis. We got a Crowder Elite rookie. Alright, 2 more packs. Alright, Jordan Matthews, Edelman, Mike Evans, Malcolm Brown rookie, Jim Kelly, Bradshaw. We get out passing the torch. Randy Gregory and Randy White. Matt Forte throwback rated rookie. That's kind of cool. Alright, last pack. So this is the thick pack. Hope for a sick patch. Alright, there we go. Miller, Martin, Bridgewater, Nick Foles, J.J. Watt, Richard Sherman. Oh, we got a 3rd serial number card. This one's numbered to 199. Purple. Kendall Wright. Ooh, I like the numbering on that. 7/25. Oh, what do we got here? The Jets. Oh, we did get a patch. Tomlinson throwback threads. Awesome. Look at that. I love how the white and green is like equal. Look, fits in there perfectly. Number to 25 LT. I have to keep this one. I don't think I have a nice patch or anything of LT. Wow, very pleased with the box. I'm going to do a quick recap of all the cards. So I'll be right back. Okay, let's do a quick recap. I got the 1 rated rookie throwback of Matt Forte. Pretty cool looking card. I got 2 of these passing the torch. Beckham, Gregory, White, and Victor Cruz. We got 9 of these elite veterans. Some pretty nice ones. Got 2 Gridiron Kings, Tom Brady and Flacco, and 1 Gridiron Legend, Joe Namath. Probably my favorite insert is this Elite Series. Got Antonio Brown, Drew Brees, and Aaron Rodgers. I think they look pretty cool. Let's move on to the rookies. I got 13 base rookies. I was kind of surprised only 13. So you basically got 1 every other pack. You get 1 base rookie. And then I got 9 of these elite rookies, including some nice ones. Marcus, Gordon, Diggs, Crowder. Rated rookies. Ended up with 4. Jag and Gordon being the nicest ones. Down to only 2 of these classic Gurley and Mariota. Serial number cards. Took right at the end to get all these serial number cards, but it did end up with 3. 2 blues to number 9 and 1 purple to 199. Pretty happy to get those. And the hits. Very cool LT. Number to 25. And a Jesse James autograph. So even if you didn't get two nice hits, I think this product is awesome. I think you get a lot of value. You get a lot of rookie cards, get some cool inserts, a lot of big name players. So if you can find these for under $30, I would say buy them all day. They're a lot of fun. I'm going to definitely try some more. I'm pretty happy with my hits and can't complain for right around $25, $26. So that's it for this break, guys. We'll catch you next time.